Hello and welcome to this introduction video to Sparxent Active Control. Sparxent Active Control is a managed service designed specifically to address the very areas which will ensure you gain the correct levels of operational success from your investment in systems management. It is a fact that some organizations are very successful with a systems management toolset, and yet a very similar organization of a similar size and structure will fail. It cannot be the toolset. In order to gain the correct levels of visible and quantifiable success from your investment in systems management, it is important to structure the interaction with it in a balanced way. Creating the correct balance between people, process, and technology is critical and is without doubt the difference between success and failure. Let us review a very large organization, a huge corporate organization with some 119,000 employees and a presence within virtually every country in the world. This is an organization which Sparxent works very closely with, and they gain the highest levels of success in one of the most challenging and distributed environments in the world. How? Because they have a clear and balanced focus in people, process, and technology. They have a best-of-breed toolset. They have a focused and capable resource model. They have process devised and provided in cooperation with Sparxent Active Control. They know what they want and they achieve it. Success drives investment, and investment drives more success. Let's review a common mid-market systems management lifecycle. Not many organizations have 100,000 users, and therefore providing the focused resource to achieve success is a challenge. Stage 1 in the cycle, an organization realizes the need for a systems management toolset and associated functionality. They require asset, hardware, and software inventory. They require software deployment, patch management, and operating system placement, and license management capability and remote control. Stage 2, based on features and ensuring capability is aligned with operational objectives, they choose a solution, a considerable investment. Stage 3, they purchase it, they install it, and for a short period of time are very happy indeed. A great deal of functionality which may not have been available before is now at their fingertips. Based on the incorrect resourcing model, however, the confidence over a period of 6 to 12 months reduces, and the tool does not drive the success that the organization expected it to. What went wrong? It must have been the software. The software gets blamed, it receives regular negative press, and as a result is often replaced with another similar toolset, and the cycle starts over. The secret to success is to break out of this cycle. How? Through achieving visible and quantifiable success from the solution, through ensuring data is accurate, duplicate-free, current, and complete, by ensuring the system is maintained correctly and well managed, through promotion of its success to management at all levels. So what is Sparxent Active Control? Sparxent Active Control is a managed service focused to guarantee your success with systems management through not only applying the correct level of maintenance, data management, and agent deployment and coverage, but through delivery of high-value operational services which most organizations perceive to be problematic and troublesome. Generally, Sparxent Active Control services come in two guises. Scenario 1, leveraging your systems management toolset. You own the tool, we manage it. Scenario 2 is leveraging systems management from the cloud. In this case, there is no hardware, no software, no infrastructure. We simply deliver success from the cloud. Consider the analogy of a lamp. You don't care about the national grid, the power stations, the generators, and the fuel they consume. All you care about is that when you flip a switch, you get a light. We flip a switch to your systems management success. Let's review some of the characteristics for a Sparxent Active Control managed operations for systems management. There is a short-term, if not immediate ROI. The length of time to gain ROI depends on the success you are currently gaining from your solution, but can potentially be very aggressive. The service offers flip a switch functionality. You allow us to manage your solution, and we deliver high-value services, and we will attain very short-term success. By transferring core services to Sparxent Active Control, it allows your team and your staff to focus on the business needs. The service is highly modular, very scalable. You can turn services on and off as you require, and we can deliver quantifiable success in some of the most distributed and challenging environments. There is also no long-term commitment. A breakdown of the services can be seen here. Consider the diagram, but let's work from the bottom up. The concept of ensuring the highest levels of agent coverage, measuring that degree of coverage, and reporting upon it is important to the overall confidence gained from the solution. If the systems management agent is not installed on a device, then it is not managed. If the device is not managed, you cannot remote control it, you cannot deploy software to it or patch it. If it isn't patched, then it is a danger to the other devices within the environment. You may also be carrying out license acquisition on the basis of the systems management inventory data, and therefore these machines will not be covered. In addition to agent coverage, maintaining and managing both the hosting server infrastructure and the solution itself is often an area overlooked. This is also very important and covered within the Sparxent Active Control Service. Once we are sure that the system is managed well and deployed fully, then we can gain some excellent operational success. The operational services, detailed within the blue layer here, represent the services which Sparxent Active Control deliver to your organization in a risk-mitigated manner whilst guaranteeing your success. These are generally perceived to be challenging, and therefore it makes good sense to transfer the responsibility to us, the experts. Finally, the orange layer represents high-value additional services which can be called upon as required in order to achieve your operational goals. Things like MSI packaging, allowing for conflict-free software packages to be confidently deployed to your desktops, allowing us to manage, deploy, report against, and also amend desktop and laptop policies for power management in order to reduce your power consumption. The savings to be made in reducing power consumption are considerable, and this area alone can play a major part in your gaining cost reduction and ROI. We also have a global team of highly experienced systems management experts waiting to work with you to achieve your operational objectives, whether this be project-based or more routine. There is also a high-value training courses and best practice methodologies which can be attended to drive your ongoing success. Where possible, we aim to train via hands-on activity, linking deliverables to the activity and leaving your engineers in the best possible position to continue operational success. There is a time and a place for class-based training, but it's clearly about devising a balance. Here is an example of some of the reports you will receive through the Sparxent Active Control Service. Many of these are not necessarily available to you out of the box with your systems management solution. They are carefully designed to drive the highest levels of value, and all available through a balance of email reports and through access to the Sparxent Active Control Service portal. Well, that was just a short introduction to Sparxent Active Control Services. Thank you for watching, and please check out the other videos available, which are linked to service components, best practice methodologies, and also demonstrations of the services being delivered in real time. Thank you, and have a good day.